Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit a trending Instagram Reel styles video in CapCut using blur effect. It's super easy, looks aesthetic, and will make your reel stand out. So let's jump right in. First, just open CapCut and import the video that you want to edit, and then you can use any short clips that fit your vibes. Next, just import the music that you will be using for the reels. And once this song is in, just tap on the audio track and then go to beat. This one, just tap on it. And then mark the beats. This will help us sync the chords perfectly with the rhythm. Just play the songs and then tap on this button. Or you can also use auto generate. But in the tutorial, I will do it manually. Okay, like this. Now just split your video according to the beat markers. This is the key to make your edits look smooth and satisfying. Its clip will match the music and which instantly give that trending reels feeling. And for the first clips, let's add the blur effects. Just go to effects and then video effects and then just search for hello blur. This one, just tap on it. Okay, like this. This sets the tone and give your edit a nice bounce right from the start. Next, on the other clips, we're going to use different combo animations. Just tap a clips and then go to animations and select combo. And then just try mixing them up. Just choose the animations that you like. You don't have to use the same one for every clip. Just play around and match the transitions with the beat and styles of your music. This is where your creativity really comes in. Okay, like this. And let's just try to play it. Okay, like this. You will see your reel perfectly synced with music, smooth transitions, and a clean blur effect at the start. And once you're happy with the result, just export it and then just upload it to Instagram. Okay, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!